Hello kids, how are you today? Are you good? Let's get our mouse and me book and open right here on pop-outs. Unit 4, this one. Let's detach this, and this, okay? Wait, now that I detach, let's learn the names, okay? This is a nest. Repeat, nest. Very good. Here we have a nest with eggs. Can you repeat eggs? Very good, guys. Here we have the baby birds. Look. Baby birds. Very good. And here we have the big bird. Very good. The mommy bird come to the nest. Put some eggs. Then the eggs crack and they become baby birds. When they grow, they become birds. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you enjoyed the pop-outs and play with them. Okay? Bye bye, guys, and see you.